Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be practicing another letter together, a lowercase letter. Make sure you have your dotted line paper, you're sitting up straight with your paper in front of you, and you're holding your pencil correctly, pointer finger and thumb at the bottom with your other fingers resting right beside it. So today we're going to do the lowercase s, and this is a fun letter to make, but we want to make sure that we are making it the correct size. So watch me carefully. For the lowercase s, we start right below the middle dotted line. So we do not start at the top or the bottom. It's right near the middle. And we're going to do a hook around, except it's going to be a small hook around. When we did the hook around before, like the letter C, we would hook around and come down to the bottom. But this time we're going to hook around and it's going to be very small. Your hook around is only going to come about halfway between the middle and the bottom. So we're going to do a small hook around, and then we're going to do what's called a snake around. And this snake around, we're going to switch directions and we're going to make a curve in the opposite direction. So I do my hook around and then my snake around goes backwards down to the bottom. So watch me do it a little bit faster here. I go hook around, snake around, hook around, snake around, hook around, snake around. And notice I do not go past the middle and my S sits on the bottom line. So you should be touching the bottom line. So we go right below the middle, hook around, snake around, hook around, snake around. So I'd like you to pause the video and try making some lowercase s's the whole way across your page. So you should have been able to make a lot of s's going across your page. Again, you want to be very careful that you're making them small. So they should be going to the middle. They should touch your middle dotted line, and they should be sitting on the bottom. They should not go past the middle, and they also should not be floating in the air. So for example, we don't want to do this. They're not huge. They're also not just floating in the air. They should be right at the middle and touch the bottom. All right, we're going to try doing an S pattern, so watch me carefully. We're going to go hook around, snake around, hook around, snake around, hook around, snake around. Then I'm going to do a finger space. Hook around, snake around. So we'll do 3 S's, then a space, 3 S's, then a space, and we'll keep going until the line on our page is filled up. Pause the video and try that now. After you've made your 3S pattern, take a look at all of your S's on your page. You should have a lot of S's on your page. Do all of them touch the bottom line? I see one of mine is not touching the bottom line. So that S is not as good as the others. My others are very good. They're all touching the bottom. Are all of your S's touching the middle line and not going past it? If it's going past the middle line, then you've made it too big and you need to do it smaller. Maybe you can come up with your own S pattern or using other letters. You might want to try that now. Thank you for making S's with me today. Next time we'll do another letter. See ya.